Welcome to Ron Paul's tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to prove that log A 75 out of 16 minus 2 log base A 5 out of 9 plus log base A 32 out of 243 is equals to log base A 2. Okay? Now our aim here is for us to show that what is on the right hand side is the same or equal to what is on the left hand side. Okay? Now the first thing you need to do is to solve the more complex log. Okay? I look at this one, I rewrite it the way it is. Log base A 75 out of 16 minus log base A 5 out of 9. I introduce the round brackets and then raise it to the power of 2 plus log base A 32 out of 203 is equals to log base A 2. Okay, that's step number 1. Number 2, I solve the bracket. I need to solve what is in the bracket. So I will still have log base A 72 out of 16 minus log base A. This power is going to apply on all the two digits here. So 5 raised to the power 2. What is the answer?
25.
That is 25. Good. So it's 25. 9 to the power of 2. What is the answer?
81.
We get 81. Okay? Plus log base A 32 out of 243 is equals to log base A 2. Okay? What is next? I need to write this. This one is in a single form. That means I must also write this in a single form. But step by step. Okay? I start with this one. When I see a minus in logarithm, the rules for logarithm, when you see there is a minus in between, that applies that you need to divide. Okay? Log base A, open bracket. What do I do? When you are dividing fraction, we always reciprocal the second term. Okay? So it's 75 out of 16 multiplied by 81 out of 25. Okay? Plus log base A 32 out of 243. Okay? I solve this problem first. Log base A. Multiplying of fraction, we multiply straight. What is the answer when you multiply 75 multiplied by 81?
6,075.
6,075. You get, okay? 6,075 out of gives us
400.
400 and
400.
only 400.
Yes.
Okay. And then plus log base A 32 out of 243 equals to log A. Okay. Now let's solve this one. The 6,000. Simplify it. What do you get? When we simplify this one, what is the answer? What fraction do you get?
Now we say 6,075 out of 400.
What fraction do you get?
We'll get 1,000. Must we say it in
a fraction form? It should be a fraction, yes. Because we have another fraction here.
Yeah, that will be 1,215 on top and
on
then
top.
Yes.
1,215.
215.
You sure?
I'm not sure. That is not it. So the answer is 243.
Or 16.
Yeah, 243 out of 16.
16.
That is the simplest form. I said simplify.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, and then plus log A. Okay. 243 equals to log. You can already notice something here, eh? These two. Okay. Now what is next? What does it say in logarithm when you are adding? When there's addition in between? We are multiplying. Okay.
Yes.
We move on. So it's going to be log base 8. Don't be lazy in writing, man. You will write that 243 out of 16 multiplied by 32 out of 243. Okay? That is equals to log base A 2. Now, multiplying that, we don't waste time. Obvious, this and that will cancel. 243, they cancel out in multiplication. Do you know that? So this will be 1 here, 1. Okay? Then we have log base 8. 1 multiplied by 32, what's the answer?
32.
32. 16 multiplied by 1?
16.
16. I don't want to be in a rush, okay? 32. What is the answer?
2.
So it will be log base A2 equals to log base A2. So the left hand side is equals to
The right
hand side. 1 man. Any question?
So, I have a question. I have a question. When we did the last multiplication here,
The last multiplication here.
yes, yeah, we cancelled those 2 digits because we say that they are having a common.
They have a common factor to
Common
say.
factor, yeah, okay.
Yes.
So,
Because the reason here, when I multiply this and that, still I'm going to divide with this one. Now I
Okay.
don't want big numbers.
oh, the
Okay?
same question now.
So I just reduce it.
Okay.
I could even reduce this one. How many times can 16 go there? 16 into 32
2 times
is 2 times. So here is 2. 16 into 16?
1.
1. Then okay, that means we'll have this one's now. This log base A, open bracket, 1 out of 1 multiplied by 2 out of 1. You see that?
Yes.
Now, 1 multiplied by 2
Gets 2.
1 multiplied by 1
1.
is 1. 2 divided by 1?
2.
2. Which is that one.
Okay, say not yet done. On the other side there, where we have 75 out of 16
Okay.
multiplied by 81 out of 25. Are there no common factors?
I wanted, you guys said the calculator, so I want to show you all the steps. It's either you multiply straight or you first look what number can go here and here and here and here.
Okay.
That means you're already reducing them. But here we went straight. That's why you had these big numbers. Okay. Now, I didn't want to use big numbers like here. That's why I had to reduce it first there
Okay.
before multiplying. Alright, in the absence of questions, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and drop your comments. See you in the next video.